Okay, good evening everyone, and today video I'm going to test the Gamepad connection to my Samsung Smart TV. As you can see on the table now, on the right I got the MSI wireless connection, and on the left is the Xbox USB connection Gamepad. Okay, and we gonna play with a classic game on the TV, and let's see whether it's workable or not. And now I leave the TV remote here, and first of all I'm gonna connect the MSI to the TV, and after that make connection to it. And now I can control the TV using that MSI Gamepad. Okay, and A is mean selection, and now I select one game. Okay, and now I select this game and let Okay, now I try to disconnect the MSI, and let's try to connect Xbox 360. Okay, now I press back and exit. Quit the game, and also we can connect both gamepad to the Samsung Smart TV. Okay, so that's it. That is all for today's video of the connecting gamepad to the Samsung Smart TV. And now thanks for your time watching this video, and I hope to see you again in the next video. Bye bye and have a nice day.